Hello guys, so I'm at the workshop again and I'm planning to surface this cast epoxy block which has flowers inside. It's just a decoration piece, and just going to surface the top with about 2 mm with a 20 mm surfacer. So let's start it. There it goes. The surfacer makes a lot of, oh my god, look at those flakes coming off. Damn. Okay guys, bye bye. I need to vacuum this up really quick. So I didn't realize that epoxy resin cast block, when cut on a router, is going to create this. I mean, just look at the mess it's made. I didn't expect this. Like fine hair-like particles and powder and then thick particles. Oh man. I do a lot of epoxy casting, but I didn't have, this is the first time I'm cutting it on my router. And I also, misjudged the depth of the cut. I took 2 mm, but 2 mm seems to be too much. I should have stuck with 1 mm. I don't do a lot of, CNC routing. I just do a basic, very, very basic stuff. But damn. Okay, this was an experience.